Okay. Hello, everyone. I'm JY Baek, working as a team head of Korea Ocean Business Corporation. It is my honor to introduce our company and one of our major finance projects. We are now living in a pandemic situation caused by COVID-19, and we are experiencing things we have never seen before. However, we are overcoming this crisis, and through the vaccination and the quarantine efforts, I can feel that the end is not far off. Just be a little bit stronger. The first thing is contents. So let me tell you the topic of a presentation. There are three main things in my presentation. First, about Korea Ocean Business Corporation. Second, introduce mega container ship finance. And lastly, I would like to talk about A380, and this is aircraft and mega container ship. The first about KOBC. Korea Ocean Business Corporation was established to contribute the national economic development by enhancing competency of shipping industry. To achieve this goal, we support shipping companies' stable introduction of vessels and supply of liquidity, as well as providing various services necessary for industrial growth. We owned by Korean government. Share ratio is 53.19%. We obtained global rating Moody's AA2 and the Fitch AA- in April this year. Okay. This is sorry. We provide market-friendly investment and guarantee program for ship finance, which will allow shipping companies to maintain a safe and competitive fleet. And also, we support container box leasing. Stable supply of container boxes will reduce financial and operational costs. We design a special purpose of financial guarantee program to support the transition to eco-friendly vessels or retrofit of vessel equipment in terms of ESG. We also support increasing traffic volume and enhancing service competency of shipping companies. In order to this, we invest in port terminals, a container depot, warehouse, and so on. Oh, wait. Sorry. Okay, this one. We also support to shipping companies and financial institutions in their decision-making based on an analysis of the shipping industry, while preparing for a new system to enhance industrial competitiveness. We provide an accurate service for the vessel value assessment, and will take a leap towards becoming a global institution specializing in vessel value assessment. We provide also training programs that customized to industry and raise up professionals who will pioneer the global shipping and port or logistics market. This is financial, correct. This is a finance structure, including ABS. The 12 vessels of 24,000 TEU were financed by 40% senior facility and 15% mezzanine facility and 35% junior facility. In order to successful ABS support, we provided 100% guarantee to cover principal of junior tranche and had prepared also special policy for that. 24,000 TU project, it was so challenging for us. At that time, from 2018 to 2019, borrower credit was very low and didn't meet market requirements. A senior tranche ratio was just 40% of asset value, but the total amount reached more than $740 million. And investor also hesitated to participate in 24,000 TU project because probably they worried about the collaterals such as largest container ship they never seen before, and also they worried about also a low credit of borrower. In my memory, most of investors generally don't like to participate in ship finance, especially Korea, probably due to Hanjin shipping collapse. However, 24,000 TU ship finance was successfully closed through our active efforts, such as promoting a package deal between senior and junior tranche. And we supported ABS, asset-backed security, and for junior tranche at an investor premium. In order to successful finance, ABS for junior tranche was condition of precedent. So we provided 100% guarantee to cover principal and prepare the special policy for that. As a responsible person for this project, I'm so happy because the ship finance was successfully closed, and now 12 vessels are selling all around the world. This is our guarantee payment process. I have prepared this presentation for investors who are interested in KOBC guarantee program. I thought it would be much important how much time is required for subrogation process. If an event of default is triggered, lender demand to KOBC and for the fulfillment of its obligation. 1 month after the borrower failure to pay a principal or interest, and payment by KOBC shall be executed within 3 months after EOD event. To sum it up, you may remember 3 months for guarantee payment process. Next is 380s and mega container ships. Now, this is 24,000 TEU, the largest container ship in the world. The length overall is approximately 400 meters, and the breadth is 60 meters. Almost, this ship size is 4 times soccer field. This vessel is equipped with LNG ready type, considering environment, and then cargo capacity is almost 24,000 TEU. Okay. This is the largest commercial passenger aircraft in the world, A380. This aircraft has 4 massive powerful engines and a wingspan of nearly 80 meters and can hold more than 500 people. It first entered the service on October of 2007 when Singapore Airlines made the first commercial flight between Singapore and Sydney in Australia. And Emirates Airline, the aircraft's largest customer, having ordered more than 160 aircraft. Oh, sorry. However, Airbus announced that it will be achieved production of A380 and decided to end the production of A380 in 2021. Okay, why airports to stop the production of A380? At first, airports are required to support the aircraft A380, such as a longer and a wider runway, the wider taxiway, more gate space, and your boarding bridges for the top and bottom levels of the plane. Therefore, airports need to spend more money on the facilities upgrade for A380 alone. And this enhanced the requirements and increased the cost severely limit the airports. In addition, according to the sub-investigation, although the A380 can carry more passengers than Boeing 777, but it needs more cost to fly the same distance. Okay, what about 24,000 TU? This 24,000 TU container vessels also have a similar matter as the A380, probably. For 24,000 TU to navigate safely, sufficient water depth, sufficient crane height, pilot skill, and the crew experience, and risk of passage through the canal must be considered. You will remember the motor vessel ever given, which run agrounded in Suez Canal. When a large vessel failed to operate properly, it needed to pay a high price. However, I think 24,000 TU vessel is different from the A380 probably. Look at the aviation industry and shipping industry right now. Despite the COVID-19 pandemic, the shipping industry is experiencing unprecedented boom, especially shipping companies who operating larger container ship like 24,000 TU are making huge profits based on their competitive cost structure. While the aviation industry is going through a very difficult time. Maybe it will take more time to get back to normal. Okay, this is the last page. I'd like to finish by introducing KOBC strong will. We will illuminate and navigate the course further and beyond. Then we create an industrial ecology of mutual growth and through the bolstering of the shipping industry. And we will contribute the growth of the maritime financial market. Finally, we will support improving the long-term competitiveness of the maritime industry. Okay, thank you guys. This is my presentation and thank you for listening.